It's obvious. You see the post, every third word is an emoji. It doesn't sound like them. They've never posted before, and suddenly they're dropping a 900-word manifesto. You know it's AI. And here's the truth. It's not fooling anyone. We're entering a strange new era where the volume of content has exploded, but the authenticity is fading fast. And I get it. It's an incredible tool. I use it. It saves time, it helps with clarity, it sparks new ideas. But there's a difference between using AI as a tool and using it as a mask. Here's how you can instantly tell someone is using AI the wrong way. They lose their voice, the writing sounds like it's been run through a corporate buzzword blender, no rhythm, no tone, no edge, just pure fluff. There's zero vulnerability, AI doesn't tell real stories, it doesn't bleed, and you can feel when a post is trying to be perfect instead of honest. It's performative, not personal. When someone suddenly shifts from "I never post" to "here's a story about how I overcame adversity and became a seven-figure founder," it plays more like a play than a person. So does it matter? That depends. If you're just chasing reach, maybe not. But if you're trying to build trust, credibility, and connection, it matters quite a lot. But here's the thing. People can smell inauthenticity a mile away. We don't want perfect, we want real. We want your actual voice, your imperfect grammar, your truth. AI should enhance your message, not erase your identity. The best use of AI? It's when it becomes your creative collaborator, not your replacement. So let it help you think faster, let it organize your thoughts, but make sure your voice, your story, and your fingerprints are still all over the final piece. Because in a world where everything sounds the same, the boldest thing you can do is still sound like yourself. So use AI, but don't lose you. And the next time you're tempted to copy and paste something ChatGPT wrote, ask yourself, would I say this out loud? Would I write this in a journal? Would I tell this to a friend? If not, don't post it. Rewrite it and make it yours, because the future belongs to the creators who still sound human, and we need more of that.